I'll call you later.
Bye.
Okay, Hachi, come on. Hachi, come on. Come on now. What's wrong with you? Come on. What is it? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. This is with you. Come here now. You got a problem? Come here. You're all right. What's going on, huh? You're all right. Okay. You all right now? Okay. Come on. Come on.
What's wrong with him?
I don't know. Hachi, you want to come? Because I got to go. It's a work day. Come on, buddy. Come on. I got to go. Love you, honey.
Love you too. See you tonight.
Last chance. Bye. Hey, Hachi.
Ah, there he comes.
Oh, am I happy to see you? Am I? Did you bring me along?
What are you doing in the bar?
You want to play catch? Here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here you go. Go get it. Okay, go get it. Go get it. All right, good. Now bring it back. Oh, that's it. That's what I wanted. Try another one. Big one. Big long one. Okay, go get it. Come on. Good boy. Oh, yeah. Now bring it back. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. Oh, aren't you the good boy? Did you see that? Threw the ball and brought it back. First time, a fetch. A real fetch. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. You were a good boy. Okay, gotta go to work. Come on, take your ball. There you go. Go home, Hutch. Go home. All right, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come on. Okay, it's all right. Let's see you try to go, all right? Go on. Stay, go home. Go on. Go on. Any better that time? All right. You remember we were talking about John Philip Sousa, great march composer around the turn of the century. He, very famous man, but he had a huge thing about recorded music. He would never allow his music to be recorded. Even when Thomas Edison came to him with his brand new invention, the phonograph. But Edison didn't care. He went ahead and did it anyhow. Secretly recorded his marching band in a parade. So I guess makes it the very first bootleg. So what do you think about that? Do you think Sousa was right? Do you think it's okay now? What about today's performance? Should you be able to just walk up in the middle of a stage, plug in your CD player to a Marshall stack, and that's it? It's good enough? I don't know. I'm a lot older than you, but I tend to think that there's an element of music that cannot be captured. Life cannot be captured. The human heart cannot be captured. The moment of creation itself is fleeting.